Hip hop is global, lapping on every shore and landing at every airport. But what does hip hop mean? Is it a music with chest thumping beats? The rapid fire lyrics wrapped into a handheld mic? Let's find out from a Bantai Lok, team intellectualizers.
क्या बोलते जजेस? मैं इंटेलेक्चुअलाइजर से एमसी हर्षित और तुमको मैं मेरी कहानी सुनाता हूँ। सो मैं खैर रैप से सुन लो। मेरी ये कहानी सुनो, मेरी ये जुबानी, बेटा रैप एक कला है जिसे लेके तू फैलाए। पर मेरी ये सलाह है, रैप में मेहनत ही लिखा है, रैप में मेहनत ही लिखा है, रैप में मेहनत ही लिखा है। ना ही आसान है ये काम, घंटों की मेहनत का इनाम होना चाहिए इसका ज्ञान। ना समझना है आसान, याद लिखना है अब जारी, शब्दों से भरती है स्याही। पुस्तकें भी भर चुकी है पर ना आई मेरी बारी, अब ना आई मेरी बारी, क्यों ना आई मेरी बारी। घर में पापा भी चिल्लाते, मम्मी के भी सुनता ताने, यार कहते तू बच्चा है अब तक बड़ा ना हुआ। टीचर कहते थोड़ा पढ़ ले वरना पास ना होगा 10वीं। जिंदगी से हार चुका था, रैप ने दिया मुझे हो, रातों लिखा मैंने रैप, कड़क किया मैंने टून, पीछे जो दे गाली अब पसंद मेरा फ्लो। आओ 10 मिनट में तुम्हें मेरी कहानी सुना दूं, सारी कठिनाइयों से बनी है मेरी जिंदगानी। बुलाए कुहू को हम स्टेज पर, जाने रैप का कल्चर, रैप वाला कल्चर, क्या रैप वाला कल्चर।
Rap, a musical style in which rhythmic or rhyming speech is chanted. It is originated in African American communities in New York City, came to national prominence with the Back to School Jam hosted by DJ Kool Herc in 1973. Rap's early stars included Grandmaster Flash and the Furious Five. The trend of hip hop spread rapidly throughout the world and reached India. Let us take you on a ride from the first Indian rapper to the state of rap in India. In India, rap has reached a milestone. What started off as a mimicry of American hip hop in the early 90s has matured into an original art form. It was introduced in India by Punjabi rapper Baba Sehgal. He started the trend of hip hop and rap with the songs like Thanda Thanda Pani and Dil Dhadke. With a firm foundation in place, the stage is set for innovation. Right now, the dominant sound of India's street poets is both politically and emotionally charged.
Coming from the series, slums rising like a phoenix, got how the rap touched the moon from Dr. Wagle, #1.
So there you saw how rap came to India. तो इसके बाद क्या हुआ? Let's find out. Rap found popularity among the youth, especially those living in the urban ghetto of Mumbai, in the slum of Dharavi, which became a hotspot. And that was the birth of the underground rap culture. So what happened here? Eventually, there were hip hop classes and rap battles that were held both online as well as physically. Online, they were held on Orkut, and those who won them were allowed to record their music and publish it on their own YouTube channel. Unfortunately, though, they did not get the voice that they deserved and were often looked down upon. So, what are the components of the underground rap wala culture? Well, of course, we've got the rappers, but we also have the b-boys who pull off the amazing dance moves, beatboxers for natural sound effects, and graffiti artists for aesthetics. Have a look at the picture up there. Those two are two prominent underground rappers, Vivian Fernandez and Naved Sheikh, who made it really big. इनका नाम तो आपने सुना ही होगा. No? Well, stick around and you shall find out.
क्या बोलते जजेस लोग? मैं रैप करके गया, अब तुम लोग को रैप के अंदर का खेल समझाता हूँ। बहुत लोगों को लगता है हम सिर्फ शब्द बोलते हैं, उसके अंदर कुछ मीनिंग नहीं होता, जो बिल्कुल सच नहीं है। हम ज्यादातर जो भी बोलते हैं लिखते हैं बहुत ही डीप एंड रेलेवेंट होता है। अब एक एग्जांपल, मैं एक लाइन बोल के गया, शब्दों से भरती है स्याही। अब इसका दो मीनिंग बनता है, पहला कि स्याही से बुक्स भरती, एंड द सेकंड व्हाट आई मेंट इन माय केस वाज मेरे मन में जो भी वर्ड्स है, थॉट्स है, उससे मैं स्याही में भर देता हूँ। एंड द लास्ट थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक ऑन अ पर्सनल नोट इज द स्ट्रगल वी गो थ्रू। काफी रैप्स में आप सुनते होंगे कि हम हमारी बड़ाई कर रहे हैं ऑन, टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट दैट इज ट्रू, बट फॉर अस टू सक्सीड सो मच 99% ऑफ लोगों को आइडिया तक नहीं है कि हमने कितनी गालियां सुनी है घर एंड बाहर वालों से, कितने कष्ट से है, just because rap was not mainstream and they had no clue how good it was. I don't blame them though, because this time सच्ची rapping का कोई scope नहीं था. So what I request from everyone is, before judging us, हमारे पीछे की and हमारे शब्दों के पीछे की कहानी एक बार समझे. जाने अवाम कैसे रैप में बस चुकी है, गली बॉय की बदौलत फट से जग चुकी है, चलो साक्षी से जाने कैसे रैप ने दिल को जीता, हजारों गली बॉयज को फेमस कर दिया.
In 2019, director Zoya Akhtar brought the struggles of these artists to the forefront with her critically acclaimed film Gully Boy. The film played a crucial role in helping Asli hip hop gain momentum among people who weren't aware of it. With the line, "जितने भी चीर-फाड़ artists रहे हैं ना अब तक, सबके सब भूखे फक्कड़." Gully Boy doesn't shy away from showing the mental and emotional struggle of rap stars and the dark side of their industry, and thus it became an authentic masterpiece, later representing India in the 2019 Oscar nominations. Do you remember the two names mentioned by Nikhil? Vivian Fernandez and Naved Shea? Well, let me tell you their stage names. They are none other than Divine and Daisy. Surviving only on talent and resilience, these artists soared through underground rap battles and eventually became household names in their community, further inspiring Zoya Akhtar to create Gully Boy.
काला सा ये साया है हम पे जो ये छाया है, क्या जुनून क्या गुरूर सर पे बैठा ये असुर, मेहुल हमको तू बता कि काले दिल में क्या छुपा.
It's not always bright, brother. Some raps focuses primarily on the negative aspects of inner city life. The lyrics often glorify criminal activity and degrade person. This is particularly true amongst the youth, as they found it cool to say what is written in the lyrics. A topic that has heated up recently is the sexualization of women, not only in the rap lyrics, but more importantly, the visualization of women in music videos. This is a terrible consequence, and such should not happen in a society. The promotion of drugs is consistently found through rap verses and often glorified. An article on ScienceDaily.com found that drug references in rap songs had increased since sixfold since 1979. There are some rappers who are quite egotesticals. According to teenage girls who are participants who were exposed to rap music videos were 2.5 times to have been arrested, and more than 1.5 times are likely to have acquired a new STD, used drugs, used alcohol over the 12-month follow-up period.
ये रेवोल्यूशन नहीं अब ये एवोल्यूशन है, पिटारे से निकला अब ये रैप का सच है, साक्षी और वैभवी हमारी आंखें खोल दो, सच्चाई से भरा भविष्य ही तो है.
India's major streaming services and labels will tell you that hip hop is the most popular independent music genre of this generation. Since the artists have more and more resources at their disposal, along with an ever-growing audience, we can conclude that hip hop is there to stay in India for good. The Dharavi Dream Project is India's only school of hip hop. Started in 2016 by the late Sameer Bangra and his mentee Dolly Rateshwar, and actualized with the help of composer A.R. Rahman along with filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor. It was established to promote the musical talents of children in the locality.
अमेरिकन रैप कल्चर से इंस्पिरेशन लेकर हिप हॉप म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री और कल्चर दोनों इंडिया में आज बहुत फेमस हो चुके हैं.
People like to hear the truth of their lives. There is satisfaction in knowing that others too share the same reality. And if there is anything better than hearing your reality, it's hearing it in your own language. Now take a good look at this painting. Let us tell you what the artist meant to show. It throws light on women's oppression and brings attention to the issue of genital mutilation in Ethiopia. Now let's focus on the same topic but from a different perspective. छोटे कपड़े नहीं छोटी तेरी सोच है, तू उनमें से है बेटा तो तू इस दुनिया पे बोझ है.
औरत बोझ नहीं बोझ बनाया हमने है, सती से लेके बाल विवाह दहेज बनाया हमने है, समाज बनाया हमने है.
औरत बोझ नहीं बोझ बनाया हमने है,
औरतों को
सती से लेके बाल विवाह दहेज बनाया हमने है,
समाज बनाया हमने है, रिवाज बनाया हमने है, इन औरतों को दबी हुई आवाज बनाया हमने है. So we can all agree that everyone got the message Raftaar wanted to deliver in this rap without much effort. Here, our intention is to show you that while paintings are a prominent form of art, they are only reserved for a fraction of the population to enjoy, the ones who have studied art. But rap is a form of art which you can enjoy and interpret without sweating yourself much. So we can say that anybody can rap.
शुरू हुआ फिर खत्म हुआ, रैप का पुनर्जन्म हुआ, अंधेरों से उजालों में, अब आन बान और शान में।
So let's wrap it up. We showed you how underground rap is both an art and a culture. So let's quickly take an overview. It started off in the 1990s in India when the rap genre was kicked off. Followed by that, it gained prominence in the 2000s, especially among the youth. In the 2010s, the
One
word
minute
underground rap was born, but the rap artists did not get the voice that they deserved and were often looked down upon. Their breakthrough point came 9 years later with the coming of Gully Boy, which was their rise to prominence. Sure, the past was dark, but what about the future? It definitely is very bright.
अब सुनी मेरी कहानी 10 मिनट में जिंदगानी, हम रैपर से बड़े सयाने सपने रख के जीने वाले। थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग टू आवर स्टोरी, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू एंड आवर जर्नी। पीस आउट।
We hope you found this presentation crunchy. I just had to say that.
So glad you did. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna ask or wait or request or to hell with that. This is like rap, protest music. You guys picked on one of my favorite topics, and I first I have to calm down. Okay. So basically, excellent depiction in terms of the style, in terms of the theatrics, in terms of the delivery. I mean, come on, like who can top this? I thought all the presentations that came before you, like I was like, yeah, ये लोग का तो बैंड बज ही गया, तुमने हमारा बैंड बजाया, और वो भी मतलब actually बजा के actually rapping, actually you know, putting across your points. I loved each of your unique styles. I mean, Harshit, please contact me. I would like to sign you for a record. I think you did a really great job, and your confidence today, like in terms of how much you leveled up in each of after each feedback session, today was like literally the culmination of all of that. And like, all that's missing is some bling on your neck and all, like full rock star happened. I'm surprised. So as in, I'm not surprised, but I'm also happy surprised. I like Sakshi's hard-hitting journalist style. Like, I'm like, wow. And then that, you know, what do you say? Contrasting with Nikhil's very like a deadpan, like, you know, with the one-liners, but like deadpan expressions. Very cool. And Kuhu, I feel, Kuhu, Khushbu, y'all are still very, I think, very, something's holding you back. I don't know what. I don't know if it's a personal thing, it's a group dynamic, what, or the topic didn't really resonate with you. I don't know. बाहर से तो मतलब समझ में नहीं आता है. But between the two of you, I could feel like, you know, like, okay, now, like, come on. I was rooting for you guys. I still feel y'all can just do that little more extra. Like, you know, why are you holding back? You're awesome. Own your awesomeness. So I really loved this entire presentation in terms of the progression, the history aspect, the information that, I mean, I thought I knew everything about rap, and I learned so much. I would like to tell you guys to look up. I mean, there were so many points where I thought you were going to talk about this group, because they're the ones who were protesting for RA. I mean, you know, we're in Bombay, and they sing in multiple languages, and they are just unbelievable. I'm getting goosebumps just remembering. I invited them for one of my events, and they performed, and I was bouncing around the most, you know. And they're called Swadesi. So even their name reflects their pride that, you know, okay, we're Indian. They rap in Malayalam, Marathi, my God, you name it. It's amazing.
They are amazingly talented people, basically. And the thing is that they were just looked down upon the whole time because, well, they come from the ghetto, and people are like,
Correct.
"ये क्या करेगा? ये तो slum में से आता है." So that's
Exactly.
why it was very important for us to include Gully Boy in this whole thing. Because after that movie came, I mean, we all saw how suddenly there was a rise in popularity, and like everyone listens to them now and really enjoys their music. And it's not like they're just
Right,
going on and
also
rapping any
the
random thing. The lyrics have profound
exactly
meaning in
the
it.
protest. Yeah, the protest aspect,
Profound
and the
meaning.
fact that it went to the masses, right? Suddenly, rap is not just that, acha, wo, what the Americans do with all those half-naked people in the videos, and, you know, oh, bling bling, cash money, and hoes and drugs, and here we suddenly got a rap, an exposure to rap that was so powerful, and I think that movie definitely did a lot of good
It
things
did
for
a lot
the
of
industry.
justice to them.
But the Dharavi Dream Project, I mean, I know personally a lot of people who are working in it, and my God, it's an incredible transformation. So
They
Like I
are
said,
they
I
are they are
found
just
myself.
amazing the way they perform and the b-boys doing that dance and those flips and all. It's
And
crazy.
even with the BMXers, they have the
Yeah, yeah,
BMXers
they do
doing all of it.
stunts
I
with
feel
this
like
like
I've forgotten
cycling.
there are other judges, so I have to leave. So I'm sorry for hogging so much time, but I'm like so hard crushing on you guys. Such a fangirling moment right now. You guys were amazing. I mean, you all had a lot of big shoes to fill in terms of today's style of presentations, and each one of you have made it very hard for us to give you all the scores. Damn it! So thank you for making putting us also on our toes. And my God, full love is become full love. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, ma'am, so much.
अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा. हर्षित, तुम्हारा टाइम तो एकदम ही आ गया, एकदम रैपचिक. I mean, like you were there, and I know it's so difficult to rehearse and remember those lines and bring that zing in that every song of yours. Rap is not easy. Rap is difficult. Rap has a rhythm in itself, and it calls for different skill sets. And you showcase that so beautifully. I have a die-hard Eminem fan here who sings that 400, 300 words per minute and kind of sees. And I look at the lyrics and the language and say, dude, you're singing this. Have you heard the lyrics of this? But it doesn't matter. The rap is rap. So I kind of get that. It was really nice, Harshit. I love what you kind of displayed today. Something very there's something about Nikhil that I love a lot. There's a certain kind of composure, calmness that you bring. Something very understated, a certain kind of maturity. I don't know what is it about you, but I really feel that you bring a certain kind of space in the entire gamut, which is
Thank you, ma'am.
really likable, lovable. And so I kind of notice you stand out quite a bit because of you are different from the others in terms of the way you, like how Simona said, deadpan kind of a feeler, but that also works, Simona, that also gives him that composure and some other element which is like, I can't just really. So I guess
We'll leave
everyone.
that a secret. We'll leave that a secret for now.
Sorry?
We'll let that be a secret.
But that's nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Kind of appreciate that. So Mehul, in spite of all the network connections you were able to make through that, that's really nice. So I saw the screen shaking and I was shaking along with the screen.
Yeah, actually.
But only one thing I felt was missing was that in between a little lag between those numbers, it's not a little lag. Otherwise, I'm going to give you score you really good and everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Harshit, you really stole the show. I mean, you kept us glued and you kept us entertained throughout your presentation, your team's presentation. I really loved, and I'm sure you must have put in a lot of efforts to maintain that momentum rapping ka, because it's not very easy. It's really difficult. So hats off to you. Great job. And yes, I think this Nikhil, he has that mixture of naughtiness, wittiness, smartness, intelligence, everything. So that's what I also like about him. But you, as a team, the entire team performed very well. And today really the day is very difficult to score, क्योंकि हर बार ऐसा लगता है कि एक टीम को दी बेस्ट जाना चाहिए और नेक्स्ट टीम उससे ज्यादा अच्छा कर रही है, तो अब ऐसा लगता है, I mean, like, who is the best? Wonderful presentation. Your visuals were very good on the screen. I like the way you collated the information on the screen, the examples taken, the research work done. Excellent presentation. I really loved it. I enjoyed it. And I really agree to, I think Simona ma'am said that ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब ये Sundays आज खत्म क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है, Wonderful. Well done, all of you. Proud of you people.
Thank
You
you so
people
much,
have
ma'am.
really ended.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
On a very high
We're so
note.
glad. We're so
We are
glad you
glad
enjoyed
to be
it.
a part.
We're so glad you enjoyed it.
Participate in such an amazing contest. Yes.
It's really
for
a
sure.
great opportunity for you all to showcase your talent, at the same time to groom yourself. This is something which you should be very thankful of. You're very privileged ones, I would say. So keep grabbing such opportunities which will come your way. And because it's really very important to realize that, you know, all these small events in your life add up to your personality. They add up to your learnings and make you a better person, a better human being. You know, holistic development happens through all these activities. So keep doing such great work. Well done. It was really fun to watch your presentation week after week after week. I think next Sunday or after that, I will be missing this gathering definitely.
Us too, ma'am.
All the best for your life. Be in touch and God
Thank you,
bless
ma'am.
you all.
Thank you.
Take
Thank
Thank you,
you
care.
so
ma'am.
much, ma'am. Keep
Wonderful
blessing.
presentation.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Wonderful presentation.
Sorry, one sec before I go, there was only one small thing again I will keep you guys mindful of, which is the pronunciations, and when you're rehearsing, you know, looking up, if you feel you're fumbling on certain words, हटा दो उस word को हटा दो, synonym, replacement, substitute, कुछ तो भी ला दो. Don't, if you're struggling with that word, because today I think Mehul, you invented a new word, which is ego testicles, and I love it, and I'm going to use it and add it to my vocabulary, but I don't think you meant for that to happen. So be mindful of it.
Okay.
And yeah, just it's okay. Don't be embarrassed. I know
No,
you
no.
meant to say egotistical, but hota hai. So I love that word. I'm adding it to my lexicon. So thank you for
Okay.
that. Be mindful. All the best. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. I have to leave.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye.
We're glad
Thank
you
you,
enjoyed
ma'am.
it.
Okay, so guys, excellent presentation. I think this was the last presentation, और बिल्कुल भी boring तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. Harshit, did you create the rap?
Yes, ma'am. Every
All
single
of the rap.
God.
Everything
He
was
sat and
created by
wrote down
him.
everything.
It
that
was,
was
it
Everything.
was so, he was owning it. The present, आज का
it was his
पूरा show,
property. It was
he
his
has
property.
owned the show like nobody other's business. तो इतना अच्छे से, मतलब superbly done, Harshit. I think this is something that you can take it forward. This is something that you have innately built into you, and you have outshone every other person today. Not just your group, but overall जितने भी participants थे, you have outshone all of them. मतलब that wonderful a presentation, and since you have done it all by yourself, I am speechless now. मुझे नहीं पता अभी मैं इसके आगे, I don't know what to tell you. It was so awesomely done.
I've been writing raps, like at least not on the youth skill, but I've been practicing rap since 2014-15, because I've been starting
Wow.
here Eminem since 2014.
And this is the aha moment, I guess, that you could put it out all in one go. I think topic भी आपने ही choose किया होगा फिर.
It was actually chosen on a common standing. It's just something
ma'am.
that came
We're
about
talking about
very
music.
randomly. We were talking about
Nikhil,
music.
इतना politically correct मत हो. It's okay. I really, really appreciate the efforts all of you who have put in. Honestly, great efforts, and जिस तरह से आप लोगों ने support किया हर्षित को, was showing out so well. Like, you know, otherwise it is like it is his domain, and you all could have been subdued, but that didn't happen at any point, you know. And the team spirit that you guys carry is amazing, because I realized Vaibhavi lagged a bit somewhere, and Kuhu just
Network
took
issue.
over.
Yeah, she had a
And was
network issue.
covering up.
Yeah, so Kuhu, who took over? You took over, right?
Kuhu took over.
Yeah, Kuhu just took over just to see that, you know, the flow is not kahin pe bhi, it's not you know, we don't feel it, but amazingly done. So, you know, that's a team spirit, that if one team member is, you know, not up to 100%, maybe network issue, maybe whatever issue, the other member of the team covers up in a way that it's not visible, you know. So that was something that I found in you guys every time, that you guys are a strong bonded team. So when a team works together, it shows up in very different ways. So that's amazing about you guys. I have always loved the way you guys present, and I've been very vocal about it too, that probably you guys are the favorite team of mine. If आज last दिन है तो बोल देती हूँ.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Meant
Thank
a
you so
lot.
much, ma'am.
Really
Thank you.
meant.
That goes a long way.
No, and you guys have every time come up with very unique stuff and a very unique presentation each time, you know. So that really
raises the bar, and we look forward to your presentations. And as always, I'm going to tell again that we wish that the Sundays would go on, but unfortunately it can't go on forever. So stay connected with all of us and let us know what you guys are doing in life, because we are super proud of you and we want to know what you guys make out of your life. तो हम कभी किसी को बोलेंगे कि हमने इनको कभी तो mentor किया था बस. We are a little part of their journeys. So, that's the pride we take when we talk about you guys. So this is not a final goodbye, though. We'll keep meeting, we'll keep connected. So on that note, thank you so much. Really, really loved every bit of whatever you guys did.
Thank you, ma'am. Keep us
so
posted.
much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all for joining us today and making this final episode a successful one. It has been a great journey so far for all of us, and we have learned a lot throughout this journey. Good luck to everyone. Keep in touch, stay tuned, and keep watching Connect Talks. Collaborate, co-create, contribute. Thank you so much.